Let's sing the ABCs under the sea.
A is for anger, it sinks real low. B is for blowfish, puff and go. C is for crab with a sideways dance. D is for dolphin who loves to prance. ABCs under the sea. Swim along and sing with me. Silly fish and turtles too, learning letters just like you. E is for eel, a slippy slide. F is for flounder with eyes on one side. G is for grouper, big and round. H is for hammerhead lurking around. ABCs under the sea. Sing it once, then sing with glee. Octopus and starfish play. We learn our letters every day. I is for island, floating on top. J is for jellyfish, wiggle and bop. K is for kelp, a seaweed treat. L is for lobster with dancing feet. M is for manatee, floating slow. N is for narwhal, unicorn show. O is for octopus, arms out wide. P is for pufferfish, puff with pride. ABCs under the sea. Wiggle your fins and sing with me. So much fun from A to Z in the deep blue ABC. Q is for quahog, it's just a clam. R is for ray who glides like Wham. S is for seahorse, curling tight. T is for turtle, a slow delight. U is for urchin, spiky and small. V is for viperfish, creepy crawl. W is for whale with a giant tail. X marks the spot on a sunken sail. Y is for yellowtail zooming by. Z is for zebra shark, striped and shy.